question most people always ask is, how do I set the motion sensor of my camera so that whenever people are passing in front of the camera, wherever you install it, it will let you know that people are passing? Or also, how do I set the alarm so that when people are passing, the alarm goes off to let them know that, okay, yeah, you're being under watch or there's a surveillance in the area? It's very simple. All you have to do is click on this setting button here. So you just tap on the setting and you see all the possible options. But now what we want to do first is set up the activity detection, which is the motion sensor, and the alarm. Let's start with activity detection. Now when your motion detection is turned on, you have the option to either leave it on high, medium or low. Right now, this one is set to high, which means whenever anybody passes in front of where I install my camera, wherever it is mounted, I will get an alert on my phone, even if I am not actively viewing the footage from my phone. I will get an alert to let me know that somebody just passed in front of my camera. Now, what about human detection? This one is so that whenever a person passes in front of your camera or wherever your camera is mounted, you get an alert telling you that there is human movement in the area where your camera is set up. Human tracking is turned off, but we can always turn it on if we want the camera to follow anybody that passes in front of the camera. So if this is turned on and a person passes in front of my camera, instead of the camera to just stay in one position, you see that the camera will start rotating and following the person. And the good thing about this camera is that it rotates 360. So you can follow the person. If the person is going to the left or the person is going to the right, it can always track the person. So this would track the person's movement whenever the person is passing in front of your camera. Now you can leave your setting like this, or you can adjust it to however you like it. Now that is that for motion sensor and activity detection. Now let's go to how you can set your device alarm. If you look at here, you currently see that device alarm is turned off. To turn it on, all you have to do is just tap here and turn it on. Now, whenever a person passes in front of your camera, you get an alarm. The camera itself would alarm the person to tell the person that you are under surveillance. So this could help you chase away thieves. In case somebody is coming to your shop, your site, or wherever, even if it's your home.